takes people behind the scenes. Happy anniversary to you, you shark-infested banana breath. Beat me up, Scotty. 8.3 on the Richter scale plays. Happy anniversary, Universal Studios Hollywood, whose summer bash has incredible rides, food, fun, and games. So get up here, you party animals. I mean it. Happy 25th anniversary to you.
Happy 25th anniversary, Universal Studios Hollywood.
Meet Disneyland's first Splashtronaut.
That's right, Bern. Today's the big day.
He's primed and he's pumped.
I'm so excited, Bern. I'm beside myself.
And ready to take on the tallest, longest, and steepest flume ride in the world.
So let's load up the shuttle and head for the puddle.
Get set to get wet on Disneyland's newest attraction.
You show me the mountain. All right.
As Ernest goes to Splash Mountain.
Saturday at 7 p.m. on Channel 9.
Colossus. Tidal wave. Revolution. Free fall. Ninja. Roaring rapids. Condor. Log jammer. Jet stream. Magic Mountain.
From the jungles of Asia they come to a forest within a city. Sun Bear Forest, new at the San Diego Zoo.